In this video, I'm going to show you how to do two things in RefWorks. One, how to create a new folder, and two, how to manually input a citation into RefWorks. Now, anytime you're using RefWorks, you want to make sure that you keep your citations organized. The way you do that is by creating folders. The way you do that in RefWorks is to, one, come up here where it says New Folder and click on it. When you do that, it'll ask you for a name for your folder. In this case, I'm going to do Sample 1. Once you have your folder name, click Create, and you'll notice that Sample 1 shows up over here on the right in the folders list. Now, if you have a paper that has multiple sections to it and you want to keep everything within one folder, you can also do what are called subfolders. The way you do that is exactly the same way with one little twist. Come up here to New Folder, click on it, but this time when you put in the new folder name, say Sample Sub, just click on Create Subfolder. When you do this, it'll now ask you where you would like it to be located. In this case, we want it under Sample 1, and then click Create. And now what you'll notice over here on the right is not only do you have the Sample 1 folder, but it has a little arrow beside it that if you click on it, you'll not only see the larger folder, but also a subfolder. Some people find that useful, others don't, but I thought it would be useful that you know that you can make them. Now, once you've done that, the next step is to go in and manually add citations to a folder or into RefWorks. The way you do that is to come up here to the top where it says References and click on Add New. Now once you have clicked on the Add New selection, a box will pop up that looks like this. It says Add New Reference. When it does, you'll see that there's a couple unique things that you need to be aware of in this box. One is that you can determine which citation style to display. If I should select AMA 10th edition here, what you'll notice is that the citation fields change. And what this is it's letting you know what citation fields are necessary in order to have a complete citation in this particular citation style. Now if I click it back to APA, what you'll notice is I now have everything that I need for APA. A second thing to be aware of is that you also can tell it what kind of reference type. In this case, it's a journal article, but if you click on the drop-down menu, you'll notice that you have other options as well. And you just select the option that is best for what you're doing. Once you've done that, another option you have is you can click down here on the drop-down menu for Add to Folder if you should have folders already set up. Now if you click here, you'll notice that it'll tell you it's going to Sample 1. Once I've done that, I can hit Save, Add New, and anytime I do that, you'll notice down here on the right side, the right bottom, a box will pop up that will say Processing, and then once it's complete, it will let you do that. Now that I've done that, let me click on this X, and you'll notice that there's my citation. From here, I am able to manipulate the citation the way I want. The one important thing to know about any of these citations as you're putting them into RefWorks is this folders field right here. It says right here Sample 1, which lets you know which folder it's in case you should want that citation and not be able to find it very readily. The other thing that's important to know is that once you have a citation in RefWorks, you'll also have the option to use the Get It at VCU button at another time in order to get the full text of that particular article. And that is how you set up a new folder in RefWorks and manually input a citation into RefWorks.